my huckleberry, I'll be your bottom line. You'll be my slow and steady, I'll be your bottom line. I'll be your wildflower, you'll be my rain or shine.
On the road, going nowhere, with nothing on my mind.
Okay, it's day 5 of the trip. We left Yellowstone and we're exploring Grand Teton National Park today. It's our first wedding anniversary today, and we're gonna have a great day and a great night, and we're gonna catch the most beautiful sunset. I just know it. Stay tuned.
We got nowhere to be, just a slow dance with the summer heat. The world outside can't wait a few, 'cause right now we got nothing else to do. The sun is peeking through the cotton white blinds, your hands still tangled up in mine. Feet on the wall, your head on me, floating easy. We got nowhere to be, got nowhere to be. Your hair's a mess, but you don't mind. You just laugh, let it fall where it lies. Coffee's cold, but we take a sip, talk about nothing, let the morning slip. Oh, it feels like that, like summer air through window cracks. Oh, it feels like that, like the summer sun on quiet tracks. Oh, it feels like that, like the summer rain that falls so slowly on the naked skin upon your back. Oh, it feels like that, like a love song on a worn out track. Yeah, it feels like that, feels like that. Yeah, it feels like that.
Okay, we're gonna give you a little van tour. We rented this van with Moterra. So first we'll start up front here. It comes with a monkey dog, but you do have to pay extra for that. Basically everything in here is pretty standard. You got your, just the standard car. There's really nothing special in here besides a monkey dog. We made a monkey nest for the monkey. Do you want to show them how it works? Like that. So that, no Pringles. So when we're driving, Riley has a little seat up here with us. Okay, that's pretty much it. Let's check out the fun stuff. This pulls down and you can cook or eat or chill, drink, play cards. Pretty cool. And then in here, this pops up, and then this seat actually swivels around so someone can sit there and eat. Obviously this stays up, but I'm not gonna do that. Eek. Here's where we cook and brush our teeth and whatnot. It has a 14-gallon water tank, which is pretty good. 7-gallon gray water. And this just comes out. It actually can spin around, and you could potentially take a shower outside with that. And then obviously you can sit here, and then under here there's a ton of storage. It actually came with a 2-burner propane stovetop. So here, you click this, you can like dim them, but comes with lighting. Obviously the top is popped right now, which is another big bonus, and you control that right here. And then there's tons of these guys all over the van where you just click and they're super bright. So this is our banana hanger. The lights also work for that. All the windows, just unlock them, open. They all have screens. They all have these built-in shades, and then they go even darker. Over here is where we keep all of our like cleaning supplies. There's a little garbage can, toilet paper, salt, pepper. And then this fridge is actually pretty big. We have room, honestly, and then a tiny little freezer, but it's worked perfectly. All sorts of silverware, scissors, knives, everything you could want, lighters, bowls, plates, cutting boards, strainers. A bunch of these nice insulated Moterra branded mugs, which is pretty fancy. And then a French press and a tea kettle, which we've yet to use, but maybe we will. We've just been drinking cold brew. And then pots, pans, come with all that. And then you have outlet here, you have USB and USB-C plugs. All of the electrical stuff is here, like the inverter and the heater. These hanging bags have come in handy. We're just kind of using it for all of our toiletries. This bench pulls out, and then basically we unroll the bed, and it's actually really comfortable. They gave us like a nice foam mattress. Yeah, and then this actually sleeps 2 more people. This comes down and creates another, not as big of a bed. This is a little bigger than a queen, and this is like a little smaller than a full. And then it came equipped with 2 of these fans, which we use at night just to fall asleep, but then it gets super cold, so we turn them off. And then let's actually go to the garage. Another cool little table here, and then this has our gray water hose. We've only needed to empty it once. And then another little table here, and then this has our freshwater hose. We did refill it once. And then all this storage basically. So it came with 2 camping chairs, sleeping bag, a pull-out like table or fold-out table, more blankets, towels, and then we just have our food and suitcases in here, and a monkey, of course. So yeah, we love it.
Stones we carried, clothes we lived in, all the tales we will tell our children. Oh, we're taking the high road. Lay beside me,